When it comes to customer service, good enough isn't enough. Today, real value means convenience, real speed, and real results. Some companies stitch together 2, 3, even 10 or more different solutions just to keep up. It's an operational headache, and your customers can feel it. If your current solution can't do all of this seamlessly, intelligently, in one place, you're working harder than you should. But what if you could do it all on one platform, all in the cloud? There's a better way. It's NiCE. NiCE CXone Mpower, the only customer service AI platform that unifies workflows, agents, and knowledge to elevate experiences. No patchwork, no limits, no compromises. Built for action, built for you. Make the move to the cloud with NiCE.